No, I'm say chairman of the Council of Elders. So Kasa na Sebio no enya no cre. No. I'm saying this because me party member. Me chose now. No. She now wanting the saying Abronya has been called to the party national head office. But so you shouldn't say that.
No, but Prof. No,
Abronya call Diakosi. He's not following the party.
Your father said one your friends the national chairman of the party. And I'm assuming Council of Elders.
Yes.
And I'm actually letter bro say. My original chairman, the conducting ye, Munchana Munye Bibi Faso, won't responded to my letter.
No, not said they've invited him.
No one responded to me.
And I made sure say, Oka said no action has been taken.
Someone responded to his letter.
And I made sure say, but actions have been taken. That is it.
And actions not taken a cosise.
No more invited no.
And a cosise.
That's all more tuneful.
A future fire.
Now yet ani two for no so obi two obi for na one fire no for party no be.
I don't know if you want me to do a court.
No, it's not. You see, that's not a court for court no. E no nkyere say ebia party no e kyere say de aban ne ye no ye kwan boni so. All we are saying is say jumedi aye di nyina no eja anana court na e wo ne mra. Odu court no e was say who ka say ni say na me charge asimesi police force say omo da so investigation
na
any fa hu dey na hu tia
so say dey bia betra me catch them the leadership of the party.
Oh there be enfan
no but me fa call
leadership
because Council of Elders
there be na me say
no region over crata dia brem
na me say actions have been taken
crata na mo tro de brem no wonti me nya no amfa response
oh there be
na ebu
omo anka say ti omo say
that is what he says.
No but he's saying say they wrote to them say they should. The conduct of their chairman is not something that they like.
But did they write back to them? Do they write back to them?
The party should take action.
But so do they write back to
action. You said you wanted action. You didn't want reply. You see, what's up per action? No reply. What's up per action? So they've given you the action you deserve.
So can I say that the leadership of your party administratively they are inept?
It's not true.
They have exercised some level of ineptitude administratively.
It's not true.
Because I write to you, I copy you,
and I make sure
expect a response from you.
Oh, there be now on who say omo Abronya the neighbor discipline committee. And now we
Chaka be pass and now don't.
There be action here taking. No. You see action. If action were not taken, then you can say the party didn't take any action. The party took action. Today, their party ne can want some say. O say my boni. What they make call? What they make call? For documents in there, just a Bonnie Medini, near starting case, or say, made us investigation. It is only the Maya and our that's what they make court back and forth. I ain't found in a mutiaso. Any found ye. The only Bonnie cry, Baba Uji, the only Bonnie cry, you clear live on TV or num. So far Azoka. But oh, there be na Azoka ne almost not in the bay. Yes, because police phone who say the party is speaking against it, and nobody communicate by almost in work time bang and if there's somebody saying the Ghana police service is corrupt, he knows what he's saying. These are some of the actions. These are some of the things. Say IGP, and himself, or the Paperi Juma, or Tino, Nipa Crow. Or this side you made any din no. In culture no invite no.
Me bacho.
So it's corrupt.
Yeah, Debbie. We here at SOMPA 10.
Disassociate yourself, but I'm saying.
Yes.
I am saying
because who say IGP or you're corrupt. We don't have any. Listen. We don't have any evidence whatsoever to say your current IGP.
Prof,
Tete Yohonu or you're corrupt.
Media.
And I want you to even retract that particular statement.
If you tell
because you don't have any evidence. If called by a competent court of jurisdiction to prove you don't have any evidence.
But I'm just telling you, say.
That I'm coming. I'm saying that does not amount to corruption.
So let me justify. I'm just giving you.
I will not even give you.
I'm just giving you an example. Say. if the IGP meant business and no pepper you are, and you don't want someone to call you as a corrupt person, and then ababe catch and say uchi so far azoka emane bill.
But is that the basis for the discussion?
But it's part of it.
It's not the basis.
It is part of it.
It's not the basis.
No, Prof, it is part of it.
Nah.
No, you see, and yet only so far azoka ne can't ask him no. You know the communication director of the NDC. Almost say, almost person omuku. The people they are looking for, Nanabi, the minority leader, and another umpire.
Also, the communication then
Director of the NDC.
Why?
I think Akwetiawa.
Your friend is saying.
Check it.
I don't have this.
Oh no,
I don't have this information.
Only so far as okay, no, I
don't have that.
Yes, so far as okay, almost Ombema. They were looking for the Nabi. The minority leader and another umpire. These were the things they said.
They said they were going to kill them.
Yes, because yes.
Oh no, it's not true. But we'll fact check the statements you are making. You know,
and I make sure say IGP prepare you are. Me offer a former IGP Peter Namfuri. So I have respect for the police. Yes, I have
Peter
total
Namfuri.
Yes, me offer no of blessed memory.
Dagarabieli.
Yes.
Yengi.
Onye Jirapa. Yeah. In my year Jirapa go na you can say you domin.
Ma inye duri.
Yo, so
Losek manga.
Right, that's fine.
So I didn't even know you are my brother.
All right, that's okay. So you see, so knowing where I come from, it also say we speak with respect, but with no fear. Prof.
Yeah.
Knowing where I come from, we speak with respect, but no fear. I'm telling you, say, if the IGP want us to move this country forward, Oman ukredie emra ne dwumedi a odim.
Actually, abronya here no boni bi ani.
Menka se boni ni ho, but all I'm saying is say, what was wrong yesterday
is wrong today.
It's wrong today. But what was right yesterday can never be wrong today because you enjoyed it.
All right,
Okay, I said let my vote count. No, in
you see, there's one thing my observe or my whenever you are in opposition, the police is not your friend.
Yeah.
But when you are in government, the police is always right. And if we don't change this mindset, the police will always be in the middle of opposition and ruling government.
If you want to pick our calls right here, 0260-196064, 0260-196065. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Me pacho line in your clear. Let me see. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Okay, let me talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Abuchi.
Yes, I'm pacho whining. Yo, me pacho. Okay, sir, free.
Abuchi me chia Jesu ansay.
Me pacho me Jesu.
Na ko bisa se me so me what to say.
What's all to say?
Mo. Enya mi de wa na from there. Ka woni o man pani dia me aboa me.
Metie you.
Abuchi we wa wadan fu ni aba ko pe Mr. Nokore Asam Kasa Africa so da dia for man pini tutu ni container no pe na mjina. Na me fu akwanye so nchia ma de gibe. Jo ashamai shira wati ona kwa kuga. Ana mi amchama ki usojare na na mpem da dia mu bia nyame shira mo. Hwe minia MPP Nino, Kachane say, Mo one Katanani, in defending, Adia and so defending. Open up to you. Yet you know Kumasi, and Uncle Fono. Edenisha came from Kumasi. I will have the Dunkaha. because what can be big social media entity press. Actually, no DNA yana. Yeah, dear, Oko Swazeta, or they say, Guama, Benny. You didn't go to a theatre cry. Would be yet seen at the local tomb. And you know, Manata, yes, Framon, yet that no many can go share South Africa. That didn't get it. It was. It is an Kaopa Pani IGP. One you can imagine. And then Nakabekafa. Oman Penina Nakufado, and Bresso, and near mom the years and job when it Ghana for no. Me and the MP before the year work as well. Open the and you be the Becca. Yeah, General Secretary, no work as well. I'm at the Tory. Open it, you put it twice. Our MP, our country, and him. Not when you're not papai. And then on which me a farm. No, I bet you studio can see we who didn't drop. Master, when you're Yatumano, me and that gentleman, Mamati, no, so that's a man.
Me that say. My info of fro. So, man. Hello, good evening.
How you doing?
If I want a minute, I say.
But you're a friend, you do it, make us every center area.
Yo, me pacho wadar ma etio.
Yo, me share with you for Namedia Ura Champo, and what they say, Kwabenya Pong, me share over here, me share and a piece. What they say, about you. Azama, or they say, Abroye, maybe Yamini Lucredi, the Catana no Cano. Seneca said, me need you now, me yellow credit for, no me you. Titu ye sofo ni uwa Canada Japan atilia na odi edi wo mu ba nyame no nukura nim zo ekwan a yede ne fa so ne de enye emra kwan odi nye papa because kiu aye no ebi wo ho no sisia a ono ye wieye